You are going to love the 2025 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.